One Ghana TV sini. Ejensen sema ekoso ewo Honorable Kennedy Japan wone Angelo Binimentem. Enu nti ama Honorable girls bebree. Pictures aba abonten a wo che say Angelo Binim ene wo mo atwempene mu odin. Na se yebeka ya pictures na eba abonten no na che say Benedicta Gafa na woye Kumawood actress as say woye TV3 music host. Nidin ebepie eyesa listening. Na ebepie mu no ne nim say jankade achi a obefa phone ne ono so akeka na dwene e de akere Honorable because nim say sa na bebre na e de yi omonsem ano na so on de o se hwe onti so dogo bi kura nu abe e de ade a enu nti na ade achi ya na obi expect senka Benedicta Gafa ebe ye video bi ana senka ba be kasa ba be reply no da bi ogina na kitchen ene wo ye breakfast papa bi ahye ne bikini na yese wonti so dogo bi nu abe e na wo sa kura e bonwum akire wo de tweke na nya asengbeto a be na boy nwum wo say and I won't die, I won't build house, I no won't pay me na je say eno na Benedicta Gafa di asa obezo wo che say onu kra de wonti say assembly kurasi na e wo sa assembly ya ho na eye Ula Michael ano no so woye Kumawood wo mo producer say woye adwuma wo Nit FM ono so ti assembly no so de bi assembly die entwa yie kula sani se hunti ena wo se Honorable etimi ede emaya kama sei ebetena TV so ena obi nim no matwempena ena obi nim no atwempena o de bi so Honorable yesa wo gu ema na nimu ase defamation of character ogu omanimu ase pa ense say sikula so obi no bi atwempena why do you have to bring it out ana Honorable refi say wo mo ma wo mo be ware ana ebi kura ne mema ena tete asa we no a wo de aba no ebetimi akwa affect o relationship ene ho ensensem enu nti no ochro ne nsem ne tententen e wo brofum moma yenkan ye ba na yato aso wo say a member of parliament is on TV showing pictures of innocent ladies destroying their image and dignity, and all I see is people happily watching on. The same man who knows tapes can be doctored when he was arrested for treason is today relying on tapes and pictures to malign the dignity of Ghanaian ladies. And intelligent men and women are happily enjoying it without questioning him. It is not your sister, so it is cool. Wait till it happens to you or your sister. He alleged these girls are Obinim's girlfriend and we all take it hook, line and sneaker. Wasn't it the same man who showed you video of Obinim and daughter and told you the girl was his girlfriend? There are some people in this country who are also supposed to defend the vulnerable, but they are all enjoying the show. The man has not been able to show a single sex tape to substantiate the girls are indeed his girlfriends, but depending on lies and the same gossip he is exposing. How many times haven't we been accused of fucking some girls you were so close to, when indeed you were not? But because some people just can't be just friends with beautiful ladies without removing their panties, they expect each man to be subject to the very weakness they possess. The Honorable Member of Parliament is blissfully displaying pictures of some ladies and saying for the others they are married, he won't show theirs. Let's say destroy their marriages. Doesn't it confuse you? He shouldn't also show the pictures of the other ladies cause they may be dating and their fiancés would also break up with them. Doesn't he also know that these girls he is showing, when not married now, will also not get husband because a rich man lied about them? That is the country we live in. The poor man's rights and dignity means nothing when the rich man speaks. The poor are always destroyed by the rich and they have no one to defend them. The viewers are enjoying it cause as demurate and callous as we are, we always enjoy seeing a Ghanaian being destroyed by the other. It is indeed a beautiful sight for comedy. Let's keep supporting the rich to keep violating, defacing and spitting on the human rights of the poor. The only times I hear someone suing the other for defamation of character has been between rich people suing the other or poor ones. Hardly the other way round. Yes, in our country, human rights is for the rich alone and not the poor. Let's be careful what we support today because it may happen to you soon.
60 years echo Jimmy Fokwasie bia one ma awo more than 20 cry echo a we Jimmy oye kwasia a adria ono MPP nsema ye nim krono no de bae hwe Kennedy Japan, if you have issues with someone no, that doesn't mean that you have the right to come outside and disgrace our mothers and sisters. I'm telling you now, me person make us in trouble because first, na me a mistake, na me doing so we nyanse na me a mistake, so I am a mentor, but sa asan we are always against obi ni ma wodi ma betum na obe show oba pant na oba say na ne ma me aye say no. E na me dia kai say no. Usu ye honorable so ampa beto wo kwan wagimisi obi a. Na mo amwe adwuma on TV station na tu ni FM stations no. Ojimi no muntumi nka nche so ojimi because munye skara kro no musro se mo kan be pam. But I tell you today say Jimmy for Kennedy Japan ni be hunu say time ojimi no mo antuni for be pam mo so. Usi ube show Florence obi ni pant ni nuama ne to awakoye wo kra usu wo skakra ya hwe wa wontare hyemu Kennedy Japan usu wo skanso ya hwe wontare hyemu mempesi medidi watem. This is my first video. Hwanyoma wo gafa obi ni wo se obi ni maye edro obi ni akofre apaye obi ni mkofa malambi wotechima obi obi ni mu obi ni de ode ato ni nsolimba trimu no upa me enko hu se obi ni o twini petty life obi ni Lucifer Satan Lucifer ejina ho still obi ni followers bedi obi ni mechi sa adewe na wodi ujimiye Kennedy Japan wodi ujimiye san ujimiye san nas egu weni mase akọ jina parliamenta weni mu hanjo ukọ jina parliamenta o pacho a weni mse a obeka abonte se MPP for na suma se onkogu ni mase Kennedy Japan wajimi Kennedy Japan wajimi we are from papa na wo si obi nim awu abonten o se obi nim ba ne kra onim se obi nim ba o de abeto o se ne girlfriend e na onim begu ase sisi adu onu wo wechi na onu pushi wo se be fight obi nim na onu nanim mba yo wo no wajimi se wo si wo ye enya ohwe fitende come start ake se match because dia ye me ya ne se ma waste me time se wo ye me mentor asheme a full at 40 a full at 60 years still who Jimmy Kennedy Japan on answer so hini Japan who true Japan obi ni mu amenga asem ba konjoro for obi ni mu no me kona sorry first time that was around 2012 or so but o de menka ti story be short ma hu se na ye hu obi ni na ya ye di obi ni mechi ni hu obi ni mu no obi ni akọ eduro so obi ni akọ epo ase obi ni yusu ma me wata obi ni yusu busom no enye nne ne start say ye ti o enye nne ne start say ye ti say nsem no ye start ti say nsem no enye nne enti uno san kwase ade na ujimia na ekosia na ukofia because of usika enti really to me enti ufu no obi ni mako edro so ni nyoma na enye nne ne start say ye ti o me pa cho wa hwe video ni dia share video no me pe more viewers na me pe say me kika say me njire Jimmy fu Japan no who ye disgrace to MPP party. I'm telling you, who see MPP a fucking party na wonu hu se wa dwane MPP there be MPP na say onu ni hu se wo wa be dwane because MPP nsem bebre ho ye ni mu no wa be kan wa bonte am ya ate ye nim so mutu eska ko hu president no wa be kan ye who is council we no mu bon so be that so bet me abro obi ni ma say oboa o payen to bet obi ni ma sorry lockdown ye aban be ye fro obeko obi ni ma sorry na ye ma and now we are Bema. Don't use the law. We are Bema. Yeah, sorry, Abraho. You ba poo new body gas, no. You ba poo na baby asam ni be ko bi ane akọ. in our own premises we are bema braho when no more bon we see kentin kolangiti na udiomo unkolangiti me person make asawate kwasi ya umami wu yenye na ogodru kwanso mo bi ema me akola obetimi awo me krama age ni bia sa aka nti ma me nkan kwase asem nkyerɛw penito to why on so wagimi Kennedy Japan se wagimi too much so see here to me ye behwe me sure say oyiri no ofie no ntufo no me sure say okay bia obakro no ofie on so minim say bi otufo na wonfa de nti ono no me nka bebre nti ano ba Kennedy Japan wagimi o Kennedy Japan wagimi sin bibia Kennedy wagimi enti wu na egu ewie no wu na egu ewie no ena o abetina se obi nu makodro so ena obi ni we ye video mo monhwe Ghana ni badwim bangasa tena ho no na ohwe video no obon se de o kan de ejimie me yase ma fa o se sometime bi about hours bi etwemu na me hu se wo ye me mentor me ya seriously me ya because na me nim se wagimi se Shanas de ubegu eni ma se nso nkrofo kan me so enye saa ese na me kike bi ma not no wagimi rough Kennedy Japan wagimi o uye kwasia papa wagimi o na wodi obi ni mudi bi be bro bi kojo obi ni enye angel obi ni na me ko bishop obi ni o baby tata wa retwa no me si ye den retwa ne kra beta frimu kra ta frimu wonye be ma ukotinye juma o baby tata wadi ede wana obi ni makodi twa ena obi ni mkodi we ena obi ni mkodi we Bishop Daniel Obinim say ye twa nkwan de ma se di wa sorry man unim say ye twa nkwan de odi di any uni problem twa nkwan de di masa uye nipa na Kennedy Japan o mama no imagine say omo baby no ma show video na so be show ba pant ni ama eja ohun say ejimi wo kran say me free eja cause me papa njimi ti say oh you don't deserve for me to call you a father nyoma mienu amama ba out and am pesa me kasa chero ne say wo gina wo no mo na wo se den wo si obi nim papa ekuru one na ho wo si ekuru one na ho wo ya kwase a o sa asem na wo kan nkwa na mo se no wo agimi number 2 wo sa say wo be show Florence obi nim pant awo life on dia wo ye no wo information ngofo wo information sin dia wo dwen no wo a time will come but let me use this opportunity na me fan to Ghana me fa bibin to Ghana for tremen ne once the day won say NDC was so ne NDC ni bia be ya de we debe NDC ni bia be ya de we back in the Japan MPP bass no person wa kire se Ghana ene de fro adongwa no any power party mu awoska enkofo wa NDC mu CPP mu na prepapa preku PPP mu o mu oska sen na oska na krahia na o sika na hia na o ye ka Ghana riches 100 first 100 won ka ho usori a we nu mu dwa be ma wuti ayete se anti dede bass na eni ma say no o Kennedy Japan pa we your first video me mpese mekasa utwa wenum too much wagimi nsu dodo we yakwasea wo me se wo yakwasea me na meka cho so yakwasea ahye me se ma fa was a mentor for a very long time at the MPP party nkwa na party a waba power yen nya home this issue kra obi ni mu nya ni paketo a wo Ghana ha ye ka omo ma rezi asofo a obi nim ka ho wa wo hwe video ni bi a share video no me pese sa akwasea Japan no me pese onya video we so for kura wo wechi e ma information kwase bi o wechi o ma information me pese onya video we uni menyimonyam wo wanye skakra uni enyimonyam wo ejimifo o kasa gboa o kasa gboa Kennedy Japan wo se de o si obi ni makwadro so no obi nim yesterday na wo ya kasa obi nim kra oni mami wata ne da kra no kra nkofo gusu ko na asole na wo be kasa akwadro so and the safi na was at class 1 konfo angasa konfo eba house be ka say onu no ye eduro mo obi nim kra no eno kra still na nkrofo gusu ko obi nim asori now akwa we ya oji se gara fu ejimi fo we ne enim say MPP election on we ni enim so omanfo mani kan na wi ni wo na aba abonten be kan ye ensem bebro ho a wo na aba abonten be kan me ete ye edu uji ni enim say o certificate wo fie MPP wo certificate ho who yenim guasiema MPP because chairman untumi look at the maturity chairman untumi a first no obi atene ka say chairman untumi a yesi wa kopento ko wa kobo we asum sisi ahwe maturity chairman untumi oso ana kweku menu usu be MPP kakra ntu ya ye bias kanu kreche we sa kwasia na mo friend honorable ni se wo jimi kanu kreche ni se wo jimi na o obi ni ma sorry no he unim de obi nim de atu yetrim unim ade obi nim de atu yetrim opa ma yenko hu busum obi nim asore still asore na ntumi ngu da unim de obi nim de atu yetrim why kram ya light off for me so chale o china na continue life no kwasia